The black Tesla Model Y is the definition of modern luxury and electric power in the USA. When you see this SUV in deep glossy black, it gives a bold, premium, and aggressive look on American roads. From California highways to New York streets, the black Model Y stands out with its clean design, smooth body lines, and futuristic styling. The front design is simple yet powerful. There is no traditional grille because it's fully electric, which gives it a clean and modern appearance. The sharp LED headlights look even more stylish in black color, especially at night. The aerodynamic shape not only looks beautiful but also helps improve efficiency and driving range. Inside the cabin, the Tesla Model Y offers a premium and minimal interior. The large 15-inch touchscreen controls almost everything: navigation, music, climate, cameras, and vehicle settings. The black exterior with a white or black interior combination looks extremely classy. The panoramic glass roof makes the cabin feel bigger and brighter, giving a luxury experience for both driver and passengers. Now let's talk about performance. The Model Y in the USA comes in different variants like long range and performance. The acceleration is very impressive. The performance version can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, which is super fast for an SUV. Even the long-range version delivers powerful and smooth acceleration. Because it's electric, there is no engine noise, just silent and instant power. One of the biggest advantages of owning a Tesla Model Y in the USA is the supercharger network. Across America, Tesla has thousands of supercharger stations. This makes long road trips easy and stress-free. You can charge quickly and continue your journey without worrying about fuel. The black color gives this SUV a premium executive look. It's perfect for business professionals, families, and car enthusiasts. Black color also enhances the sporty wheels and tinted windows, making it look more aggressive and high class. Safety is another strong point. Tesla vehicles are known for high safety ratings in the USA. The Model Y includes advanced safety features like autopilot, lane assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and multiple airbags. The body structure is strong because there is no traditional engine in front, which creates a larger crumple zone for protection. Technology is where Tesla leads the market. Over-the-air software updates improve the car automatically. You don't need to visit a dealership for upgrades. Your car keeps getting better with time. Features like Sentry Mode, Dog Mode, and Remote App Control make it futuristic and convenient. Cargo space is another big advantage. The Model Y has front trunk, and rear trunk storage, giving plenty of space for luggage, groceries, or travel bags. If you fold the rear seats, you get even more room. That's why it's very popular among American families. Driving experience is smooth and comfortable. The low center of gravity due to battery placement gives excellent road grip and stability. Whether you are driving in city traffic or on highways, the Model Y feels controlled and powerful. In the USA market, the Tesla Model Y has become one of the best-selling electric SUVs. People love it because it saves fuel cost, requires low maintenance, and supports clean energy. There is no oil change, no fuel expense, and fewer mechanical parts compared to gasoline cars. If you are running a USA car account or YouTube channel, the black Tesla Model Y is perfect content. It represents modern America, electric future, and luxury lifestyle. The shine of black paint under sunlight looks amazing for thumbnails and reels. This SUV is not just a car, it's a statement. A statement of innovation, technology, and smart driving. The black Tesla Model Y shows confidence, class, and performance all in one package.